Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Grammar Lesson.
I'm Jack.
And I'm Mia.
Today, you will learn indefinite pronouns in just 3 simple ideas.
3 ideas. That's it. And after this, somebody and everybody will feel very easy.
One time, I said, "Someone are at the door." My friend laughed and said, "Someone is at the door."
Ha! A small mistake, but very common.
It happens to everyone, but today we fix it right now.
We will give you one simple system. Use it anywhere. At home, at school, in a message to a friend.
One system, so many places. Ready?
Here is the big picture. Indefinite pronouns talk about people or things without saying exactly who or what.
That's it. One clear job. Simple, right?
Very simple and very useful.
Not exact. That is the key word. We use these words when we don't know or don't need to say exactly who or what.
We will build this step by step with easy examples.
Let's start with step 1.
Step 1. What is an indefinite pronoun?
An indefinite pronoun replaces a noun, but it does not name a specific person or thing.
Someone is calling you. We don't know who exactly.
I need something to drink. We don't know exactly what yet.
Compare this to a name. Tom is calling you. That is specific. Someone is calling you. That is not specific.
Let's practice together. Say it with me. Someone is...
Now finish the sentence with any idea.
Good job. You just used your first indefinite pronoun.
Before step 2, one small tip. Indefinite pronouns are always singular, even when they feel like they mean many people.
Everybody is happy. Not everybody are happy. This one small rule stops a lot of mistakes.
Good tip. Now let's continue.
Step 2. Words for people. Somebody, anybody, everybody, nobody.
These 4 words talk about people without saying a name.
Somebody means one person, but we don't know who. Somebody left their bag here.
Anybody means any person, often in questions or negative sentences. Is anybody home?
Everybody means all the people in a group. Everybody loves this song.
Nobody means no person at all, 0 people. Nobody answered the phone.
Remember, all 4 words use a singular verb. Somebody knows. Everybody wants.
Step 3. The un-twins. Someone, anyone, everyone, no one.
Good news. These 4 words mean exactly the same thing as the body words.
Someone equals somebody. Anyone equals anybody. Everyone equals everybody. And no one equals nobody.
Someone is at the door or somebody is at the door. Both are correct and both mean the same thing.
Native speakers use both forms all the time. You can choose either one.
One small spelling note. No one is 2 separate words with a space, not no one.
That's an easy mistake to make, so remember, always 2 words. No, then one.
What was your mistake with this rule, Mia?
I used to write no one as one word all the time before someone corrected me.
We all make small mistakes at first. It's part of learning.
But now we notice them quickly and fix them fast.
Step 4. Words for things. Something, anything, everything, nothing.
These 4 words are just like the people words, but for things instead.
Something means one thing, but we don't know what.
I have something for you. A gift, maybe. We don't know yet what it is.
Anything means anything at all. often in questions or negative sentences.
Do you need anything? I don't want anything.
Everything means all things together. Everything is ready for the party.
Nothing means no thing at all. 0 things. There is nothing in the fridge.
Just like before, these 4 words also use a singular verb. Something smells good. Everything looks nice.
Step 6. Some, any, every, no. The pattern behind the pattern.
Here is a small secret that makes everything easier.
Look closely. Some plus body or one or thing. Any plus body or one or thing. Same for every and no.
4 small building blocks and 3 endings. Learn the blocks and you can build 12 words very easily.
Some means a small, unknown amount. Any means it doesn't matter which one. Every means all of them. No means 0.
Step 6. Some words versus any words. When to use each.
This is the question learners ask us the most.
We usually use some words, somebody, someone, something, in positive sentences.
I saw someone in the garden. A positive, simple sentence.
We usually use any words, anybody, anyone, anything, in questions and negative sentences.
Did you see anyone in the garden? A question.
I didn't see anyone in the garden. A negative sentence.
Positive sentence, use some. Question or negative sentence, use any. A simple, useful pattern.
Give me an example, Mia.
I have something to tell you. Positive. Do you have anything to tell me? Question. I don't have anything to tell you. Negative.
Same idea, 3 different sentence types, 3 different word choices.
Step 7. Quick practice with real examples.
Let's try a simple game. I will say a sentence type. You choose some or any.
Ready? I want blank to eat. Positive sentence.
Something.
Is there blank to ask? A question.
Anyone.
Great job. You're getting faster already. Try this game yourself with your own sentences.
This is the best practice, thinking quickly again and again. Quick reminder before we continue, our main idea was some words for positive sentences, any words for questions and negative sentences, every for all, no for 0.
The basic idea is enough for almost every sentence.
Good. Now let's put it all together.
Step 8. Put it all together.
Listen to my example. Someone left a bag here. Is anybody looking for it? Everybody in the office checked, but nobody knows whose bag it is.
Listen to my example. I need something for the party. Do you have anything I could borrow? Everything looks nice, but there is nothing left to buy at the store.
See? We used many indefinite pronouns naturally in the same short story.
Nothing feels forced. Nothing feels confusing.
That is the perfect balance.
See? Easy. Simple rules, clear sentences.
Step 9. Practice time.
Now it's your turn.
Question 1. Fill in the blank. Is knocking at the door someone or no one?
Question 2. Fill in the blank. I don't have blank to say. Something or anything.
Question 3. Fill in the blank. Loves a good pizza. Everybody or nobody?
Question 4. Fix the mistake. Everybody are here.
Question 5. True or false? No one is written as one word.
Now check your answers with a friend or write them in the comments below.
Say your sentences out loud. This is the best practice.
Let's review everything one more time very quickly.
Somebody and someone for one unknown person in positive sentences.
Anybody and anyone for any person in questions and negative sentences.
Everybody and everyone for all people.
Nobody and no one for 0 people.
Something, anything, everything, nothing. The same pattern for things.
All indefinite pronouns use a singular verb, even everybody and everyone.
6 small rules, 1 simple system.
You don't need every detail today. Choose the rules you understand best.
Learning grammar is not a race, it's a walk, 1 small step at a time.
Indefinite pronouns are not scary ideas. They are helpers.
Helpers that let you talk about people and things even when you don't know the exact details.
It all starts with one small, simple question. Do I know exactly who or what? If not, an indefinite pronoun helps.
So remember, keep it simple, practice daily, and smile.
Remember my story from the beginning, Jack? Someone are at the door.
Please don't remind me.
I will remind you forever.
So here's your challenge right now. Pause this video
And say 3 sentences, one with somebody or someone, one with everything, and one with nobody or no one.
Go on, try it now. We'll wait.
Did you do it? Great job. That's it. You just did the hardest part.
Well, I think our time is almost finished for today.
If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Grammar Lesson.
And give this episode a big thumbs up, a like.
And please share it with a friend who is also learning English.
And now for your homework and our question of the day.
Go to the comment section below. Write 3 sentences using indefinite pronouns.
For example, someone helped me today. Everything felt easier. Nobody expected that.
We would love to read your comments.
Thank you all so much for learning with us today.
Stay curious and keep practicing.
We will be back soon with another fun grammar episode.
And remember, choosing the right indefinite pronoun makes your English crystal clear.
Somebody, anybody, everybody, nobody. Your system forever.
Goodbye for now.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, Jack.
Bye, Mia.